my path, I seen it light low. Frequency was low, I had to rise above. Searching deep inside, I think I found a plug. Take me as I am and find out who I was.
The reason why you don't want the car too high, because the higher the car is, the higher you gotta lift the tire. And that can be hard on your back. Even though you
look at that Corvette. That thing is sick.
Oh, okay, I see.
So, can I get another little man?
Yeah.
Another little man? Actually, you ain't looking. Not at all. Drop it to the ground. Now go to the next one. Now go to the next one. See, that's how you do. Back like this. You always want to come back like this. Sometimes these wheels is hard to come off. Position yourself like this and use your strong leg. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you kick it off. The way you tell what size the tire is right here. 225, 45, 17. A lot of cars are being made without a donut. So when the store asks you what size tire, the 255 is this part right here. The 45 is this part. The 17 is this part. The 17 is the center. Now can I get another strong young man? Now you see why they want to lift it too high? Because now you got to lift the wheel back up and put it back on there.
Got it.
So you only want it to come off the ground a little bit.
I'm used to trucks. I told you I got truck. I'm sorry.
If you get,
I'm going to see how strong you is. Okay?
That looks it. I'm coming.
Put it on.
I'm sorry, y'all.
I'm going to see who can get this tire on.
I apologize for coming up.
We're going to see which one of y'all strong. Who can get this tire back up.
I'm strong.
We're going up there.
I'm going to see if you know what you're doing. I need another young man to start them lug nuts by hand.
By hand.
You, start them by hand. Start the lug nuts by hand. You. Yep, go ahead. You really don't need no gloves. You can just pick them up. Just start them by hand.
You hold it.
When you get ready to put a tire back on, why you think you want to always start them by hand? So it's easy to... So is this one all right? He cross-threading that, I can tell. Just because it ain't going on smooth. If it's not going on smooth, you cross-threading it. If you cross-thread it, you'll mess up the stud and the lug nut. And you're probably looking at a $200 repair just to replace the stud and lug nut.
who got that kind of money?
So now you're good right there. All I want you to do is get them started. Now, hold on real quick, hold on. Now go. You gotta turn it back.